Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn how to write an acrostic poem. An acrostic poem is a poem in which the first letter of each line forms a word, and this word is usually the topic or the concept of the poem. Now let's see how to write an acrostic poem. What are the things we have to keep in mind while writing an acrostic poem? While writing an acrostic poem, we are going to think of a topic on which we are going to write the poem. And the word, which is generally the topic of the poem, is to be written vertically. We are going to find some words which describes that word, means the topic. So we are going to find some phrases or ideas or words which describes our topic. The next thing is we are going to fix those words and phrases which describes our topic on the words we have written vertically. Like if the phrase is starting with you, we are going to adjust that phrase with the word, with the letter in the vertically written word. The next very interesting thing is this poem doesn't have any rhyming words or rhyming scheme. So it makes very easy for the writer to write the poem. Now let's write a poem on my friend. The name of my friend is Supriya, so I have written the word vertically. And all the letters you can see are in capital. So what's the next thing we are going to do? We are going to find some words which describes my friend Supriya. So here are some words I have found which describes my friend very nicely. Amazing, beautiful, charming, kind-hearted, talented, hardworking, super cool, positive, energetic, beautiful. These are few words which describes my friend very nicely. So you can find these words with the help of dictionary or thesaurus. So like this you increase your vocab. Now I am going to fix these words on the word Supriya I have written in capital. And we have to keep in mind the word which starts with S will be on the first. So here you can see Supriya written in red, that's the topic of our poem, and the words which we have found which describes my friend, we are going to put them according to the letter. Now here with S I have found out super cool, so I am going to write super cool with S. So super cool human being. Here you can also write super cool. You can also make it a phrase, or you can add 2 or 3 words to describe your friend. Here with S I have written super cool human being. With U again I have taken the word understanding, and then I have written understanding and caring. For P I have used positive in attitude, R radiant and powerful, I incredibly talented, Y young and energetic, A amazing personality. So these are the words which are written in black or phrases which describes my friend very nicely. And the words which are written vertically, the letters which are written vertically forming the word Supriya is the topic of my poem. So like this we write an acrostic poem. So let's take another example. The another word is taken from maths, it's line. So see, I have written the word vertically, L-I-N-E. After this I have found out the words which describes the word line, like length, indefinite, never ending. So these are the words which explains the word line very nicely. So I have used these words. Compared to the previous poem, you can see the words are in phrases. The things which explain Supriya are in phrases. But in this poem, I have used only words to explain the topic. So let's take another example, that is of an idiom. It is tit for tat. Now this tit for tat is an idiom, and the meaning you all know is what you do to others will happen to you. It will return back to you. If you do good to others, good thing will come to you. If you do bad to others, bad things will come to you. So again we are going to write an acrostic poem on it. In this you see I have written tit for tat vertically in red, and I have found out sentences, phrases to explain the phrase idiom tit for tat. So, see, read the thing. Try not to bad to others. It will come back to you anyways. Frederick spoke bad about Oliver, and the same returned back to him. That is the amazing justice of the Lord. Now see, the words and phrases which are written in black is explaining the vertically written word or idiom tit for tat. This is the amazing way of writing the acrostic poem. It is very easy. The only thing you have to take care is you have to find out the words which explain your topic. Hope you have understood the poem. Hope you have learned how to write an acrostic poem. And now it's your turn to find a word and write its acrostic poem. Thank you.